John Zimmerman from the Hershey Company. I am the Director of Financial Data Systems. My overall area of responsibility really covers any specific process or system that needs to be measured from a financial standpoint or a financial perspective really falls within my group's responsibility. I partner very closely with Hershey's Information Systems Group, and together we're pretty much responsible for the integrity of Hershey's financial environment. One of the things that Hershey has recently undertook is looking at an opportunity to replace some of our aging infrastructure, our aging systems, specifically in our ERP platform, SAP. We've been using SAP at Hershey for approximately 15 to 20 years, and it's been customized a significant amount over that time frame. And as part of the customization that we've done to the solutions, it really has prevented Hershey from keeping pace with some of the requirements, with some of the changes in the consumer and the customer landscape. It really is becoming more of a challenge for Hershey to be nimble and to meet the needs of an ever-challenging organization, especially in a multinational landscape, very competitive environment. So one of the things that we looked at and the challenge that we were looking to overcome is how do we prepare and enable our systems infrastructure to really to allow us to grow into the future, to allow Hershey to become that innovative snacking powerhouse. What are the things that we really need to make sure that we focus on? And as part of that, in the 2016-15 time frame, we started to evaluate the state of our entire infrastructure, our entire systems, SAP specifically. And we ended up making the decision, considering the customizations that we've had on our aging environment, to look, and we made a commitment to actually implement SAP's S/4HANA. And as part of our journey of beginning to look at rolling out SAP's S/4HANA solution, we needed to understand what that deployment strategy would look like. And as we evaluated how to do the deployment, a portion of that was also who would partner with us in actually rolling out the solution and getting it to a point where we had a sustainable foundation. As we looked around at other firms that were getting into the market at the time, Infosys was already a partner with Hershey in our managed services environment. In addition to that, they brought individuals and a set of talent that had some practical experience and really understood the technology of the SAP S/4HANA, specifically central finance, but also S/4HANA just in general. And I think the combination of their familiarity with the technology and then ultimately their approach with introducing some process efficiencies and transformational opportunities, the two of those combined really led to our decision to use Infosys in rolling out central finance at Hershey. Would absolutely recommend organizations take a very hard look at Infosys and their ability and the offerings that they bring to the marketplace for organizations that are looking to improve process transformation, system implementations, and specifically their ability to help organizations deploy and implement SAP S/4HANA and the central finance environment.